Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to talk about this stunning pure Georgette Jaipuri saree with beautiful rose zari weaving. This saree is a true masterpiece with intricate detailing that is sure to turn heads, and the rose zari weaving add a touch of elegance and sophistication to the saree, making it perfect for any occasion. And the contrast blouse really makes the color pop, adding a modern twist to this traditions look. And what I love most about this saree is the quality of the fabric, and the pure Georgette material is soft and lightweight, making it comfortable to wear all day long. And the best part, it's this gorgeous saree is priced at just 1050 rupees. It's an absolutely still for something so beautiful and high quality. Overall, I highly recommended this pure Georgette Jaipuri saree with rose zari weaving and contrast blouses. It's a must-have for any fashion-forward woman who want to make a statement with her style. So go ahead and treat yourself to this stunning piece. You won't regret it. And guys, if you want to purchase this saree, then I'll share link is in description box. So you can check it out. Till then, bye. Take care, guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.
Thank you.